Hey, what's up guys, Aditya here from How's That App, and today I'm going to tell you how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. This has a lot of steps involved, so bear with me and let's get started. Alright, so to get started, all you need to do is go on to the Instagram app and then go onto your account. Once you're here, click these three lines right here and then go on to settings. Once you're in settings, you'll find this option help. Click on that and then you want to click on help center. Once you've clicked on that, it will open up a page, and this page might be in some other language. So to change the language, go to manage your account, and as you can see, it's in some other language and not English. You just need to click on this and then select the language you want to view it in. I'm going to click English, and once you're done with that, you need to click on, and if you're on Chrome or any other browser, you need to turn this website into the desktop site. So on Chrome, you can just click these three dots right here and then scroll down and then click on desktop site. Once you're here, you will see a little more options. So let me just zoom into that. You'll see some options on the left hand side. You need to click on the manager account. Let me just zoom that in. Click on manage your account and then click on delete your account. Once you've clicked on that, you will be shown these options right here. And then as we want to delete our account, we'll be clicking on the second one. You can also temporarily disable your account, but that's not what we want right now. So I'll just click on delete my Instagram account and then go on, scroll down until you find there's going to be a lot of things. Just click on delete your account. And once you've clicked that, it'll ask you to log back into Instagram. So now just log back into the account that you want to delete. This is not the account that I want to delete. So I'll just put in the account. Okay, so I've put in the account that I want to delete, and all I need to do now is click login. Now it will redirect you to the deletion page, and you should see, okay, just click on not now. Let's not save the password because we're deleting the account anyways. So okay, now you'll be presented with this delete your account option. You just need to select why you're deleting your account. Just select any option, and you need to retype your password. So let me just do that. And once this is done, you're all set to delete your account. And please note that your account will not be immediately deleted. Instagram will give you some time to rethink over this decision. So if I click on delete the account, it will ask me if I'm sure, and I click OK. The account will not get deleted instantly. You will still have time to recover the account. So as it says right here, your account will be deleted on July 1st. Today is July 1st. So by the end of the day, that is 12 o'clock, my account will be deleted if I do not take any action. So if you want to delete your account, that's it. You can stop right here. But if you just change your mind for some reason, go back to Instagram and then you'll be logged out. You'll see that you're logged out. Yes. So now that you're logged out, log back in again with the account. This is if you change your mind and you do not want to delete your account anymore. So now as you remember that I've requested to delete my account, and if I try logging back in with the same account, it will ask me if I want to keep the account or do I want to delete it. And here, if you don't want to delete your account anymore, you can just click on keep account and it will keep your account. If you want to delete it permanently, you can just leave it at the previous step and you do not need to do anything. Your account will be deleted in one day. So yeah guys, that's how simply you can delete your Instagram account permanently. And if you like the video, please do share it with your friends and family to let them know how to delete their account if they want to. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.